Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay Express Transit. This incredible feature allows you to pay for your transit rides with unparalleled speed and convenience. You won't need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or even a passcode. Simply tap and go. It's designed to work seamlessly with compatible transit systems across the globe, making your daily commute or travel much smoother. Your designated transit card is automatically selected, ensuring a swift transaction every single time. Setting up Express Transit is straightforward. First, open the wallet application on your iPhone. Next, tap the plus sign to either add a new transit card or select an existing one you wish to use. Follow the simple on-screen prompts to enable Express Transit for your chosen card. You'll have the option to designate one specific card as your primary Express Transit card, ensuring it's always ready for immediate use. This quick setup saves you valuable time on your journeys. Using Express Transit couldn't be easier. When you approach a transit reader, simply hold the top of your iPhone or your Apple Watch near the terminal. There's absolutely no need to wake your device, open any application, or perform any authentication like Face ID. A quick tap, and you're done. You'll see a check mark and the word "Done" appear on your screen, confirming a successful payment. This entire process typically takes less than 1 second, getting you through quickly. For a smooth experience, ensure your device has sufficient battery life, as Express Transit relies on power. If a transaction ever fails, try holding your device a little closer or for a slightly longer duration at the reader. Remember, you can easily change your designated Express Transit card within the wallet application settings at any time. Always check your local transit authority's website to confirm compatibility with Apple Pay Express Transit before you travel. Happy commuting!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.